Hello friends, welcome to HF Scale Fair. Today we are going to learn how to reduce the size of APK in React Native. So if you are a React Native developer, you know the problem of large size of APK in React Native, which is between 30 to 50 MB, which is too large to upload on Play Store. So here our APK size is nearly 56 MB, which is too large as compared to our application size. So to reduce the size of APK, we will make certain changes in build.gradle file of our app. So in Android folder and app folder, go to your build.gradle file. In your build.gradle file, you will find on top, you will find one line, enable separate build per CPU architecture. As you know that there are 4 type of architecture which Android devices use. So we'll make separate APK for each architecture. So first we'll change it. It will be false in your code. Change it to true. Then we will enable ProGuard in our build and we will make it true. Then we will go for making one universal APK which will be run on all device. The 55 MB APK is generally the universal APK, which is the largest size, and rest it will contain 4 more APK of the include architecture of Android. Now we are done with this. If you are using Firebase in your app, generally it will not run if you will enable ProGuard in your build. So copy this code and paste it into your ProGuard rules.pro file. And here we are done with our changes. Now next step is clean your clean your Gradle. For cleaning the Gradle, the command is Gradle w clean. This will take some time. Wait till the Gradle is cleaned. Once the command is exit, now we will run a command to build APK in React Native. To build APK in React Native, the command is Gradle w assemble release. And if you are testing in debug mode, the command is Gradle w assemble debug. Now this command will take some time to build the APK. Sit back and relax till then. Once the command is exit, just go to your project folder, the Android folder, app folder, build, output and APK and release. Here you will find 5 APKs, the 4 architectures and one is universal APK. So if you want to upload on Play Store, upload the 4 APKs of different architectures. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for further new React Native project updates and React Native feature updates. Thank you.